Hello guys, thanks for watching my videos and thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that and don't forget to like the videos if you like them. So today's video is basically about how to calculate for an area of a rectangle using the language of C++. So let's get started with our project. So select console application and let's go. Yep, C++, let's just pick it. Yep, C++. And let's say area of rectangle. Already have a name for this project, so I'll just write one attached to it because I already have one. But you can also equally select the location of wherever you want or wherever you want it to be saved. Yep, then let's go. So after that, just come to your far left hand side. You can see a wide empty box here. Let's select the area of a rectangle, come to sources, then come to main.cpp, double click on it. Okay, I think the font size is small, so if you want to increase your font size here, just come to edit, locate special commands, come to zoom in. So we can just try your whole code box and see whether it's having any fault or not. You just build this and run. So I'm trying to run this and see whether it will give me any failure or something. I'm waiting for my terminal to run. So I'm using Mac. If you're using Windows, it's going to open your command prompt, that's with CMD. But if you're using Mac, it will open your terminal instead. So you can see the basically it's running. If it wasn't running, it won't come like this. So now we're going to do what we call the coding section. So first, if you're given a problem like area of a rectangle, you need to find out what actually entails in this, what a rectangle is. We have length and breadth for a rectangle. That's basically it, and it's a box. That's how you guys know it to be. So after understanding your whole problem, then you try doing your construction of list of variables where you get the length, the breadth, the answer to display. Then after that, you go into the program development stage. This is where you do code. Yeah. And also don't forget to know the kind of data types you use, whether it is int, float, what again? There's so many float, the others are there, but without mentioning them one after the other. So we are going to start with whatever we are starting today. So you are going to get something like this: hash include less than IOS stream, greater than, that kind of thing. But I just mention it straight using namespace std semicolon, then int main, then two brackets, then this is a curly bracket here. Okay, so this is where we are going to do our data declaration. So if you want to comment on your code, this is what you do: /double or I think start to work. See, then let me give a space and do this. See, you can equally do this, or you can use the double / any of them you want. So let me say data types or declaration, whatever we want it to be. So we come here. So we are going to use int for everything. So you can say int length, comma, and we can equally say breadth, or we can separate them. We can equally separate them. So let's do the separation. But that one is basically a waste of your lines, int breadth. Yeah, it's not a must for you to spell in all this. You can make them, let's say you can make them B then A, anyhow you want it to be. But basically I just want you guys to understand because you are still starting. So just leave it like this, and you terminate it by using a semicolon. Yeah, so we're done with this part. So what should I call here? Should I say the body? Okay, let's say body coding. But basically make sure everything is always in your int main if you are doing this. Yeah, so body coding. So we come inside of body coding, we ask the user to enter his length, enter length, then we if you are saying, if you want the user to give his value or print out something or a command for a user, you use a cout, a less than two of them. Then when we can equally do this. We can use this, or we use the less than sorry, for the end hello, that's end line, then terminated by this. We can use cin. Cin is basically used for collecting the values, sorry. Then let's say another cout. So if you think I'm fast, you can basically pause the whole stuff, pause the video and do it, and then see where you lie, whether you're able to catch up with me or not. Yeah, so as I say, you can do this, but for uniformity's sake or making the codes nice, I prefer doing this so that you guys won't be confused. Yep. So the last one, I'll say return 0. But then that's not where we are now. We have to print the answer. So in print an answer, who can guess? If you think you can guess, just pause this video and then give me your result by putting in the comment section so that we'll talk about it. So you can basically do two options here just to get an answer. Length star is like multiplication as in coding. This is for division, addition as usual, subtraction, as usual. That's it. Those are the basic ones for now. You can equally use other words for that, but for now you're still beginning, so we'll just do this. As time goes on, we'll be using advanced ones. So I think we're done. If you can come and use something like a not, something like form, then to confirm whether this is really good to go. That's the build section. If you don't want to build around, just build. Yep. You see there's an error, so this is my error. Okay, let me see where the error is. They're saying what expected. So I don't actually see any error here. Oh, sorry, I didn't bring the star. Oh gosh, sorry guys. It's only that one that caused the whole problem here. I think we're good to go. See, there isn't any error in our build lock or our inbuilt terminal. That's how I see it to be. You can kind of press the play. So it's asking of the length. Let me say 2, and the breadth, let me say 4. So this is the answer directly. This is going to be an answer. Yep, 8. We didn't actually attach anything to 8, so it's just going to only display 8 as our final answer. Can equally ask the user to enter his name. Let's try that one maybe. Okay, I'll let us talk about those ones in an upcoming videos. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to your friends. I'm your host for today. I am AMD Tech, formerly Mac Stream, so I still go by the Mac Stream though. Yeah, thanks guys.